Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we can going to discuss about the product adaptive neuro fuzzy inference system based add-on controller for unbalanced load compensation in low voltage microgrid. Now we can going to discuss about the abstract of our product. The paper presents an adaptive neuro fuzzy inference system add-on control for unbalanced voltage compensation in low voltage microgrid constitute of multiple voltage source converters based on distributed generation. The voltage source converter based LVMG is most inertia-less system, and any kind of load variation vary the significant impact on load profile, which is highly unconsiderable. Presence of unbalanced load at the point of common coupling further extension the problem. In order to migrate the negative effect of unbalanced load, an adaptive neuro fuzzy inference system based on add-on control loop we have add-on added in the conventional voltage source converter control. Have the add-on control set the reference current gains equivalent to the voltage unbalance factor. This reference current gains obtain the add-on controller and added to the output voltage control loop to the set the modification reference current of our inner current loop. The extensive simulation results with the experimental validation have provided at the proposed control algorithm. In presence of system, adaptive neuro fuzzy system is an mainly impact and role of unbalanced voltage profile to implement the system stability analysis. Next we can going to discuss about the flow diagram of a product. First we can see about the RES renewable energies. So first we can see of the microgrid. Microgrid is nothing but energy source converted to AC, generating power of AC system directly connected to the common AC bus. And next we can see about the solar panel. Solar panel is a input of irradiance level based on to generate our power. To inner level of maximum power point tracking algorithm at the DC to DC boost converter, we can use the solar panel algorithm. Next we can see about the windmill. Windmill is on to wind generation to of two or six wind turbines are connected interface the windmill to generate the AC power. Because of windmills are used as alternators, we can purely generate the AC to send the interface with the common bus. But we can see the solar panel. Solar panel is generated only DC. We can some conventional use to DC. DC to AC converter is convert the solar panel. It is possibly commonly interface to common AC bus. These three categories of renewable energy resource system, we can use this process. Next we can see about the load side. We can the two types of loads are used in this load side: domestic load and industrial load. Domestic load is nothing but single phase load. Industrial load is nothing but three phase load. This are interface down two loads as the common AC line to connected us. Next we can see about the negative sequence. Negative sequences are nothing but our AC bus system. Some transformation are used because of alpha to beta, beta to alpha. Some transformation use the sequence to change the over of our send to the adaptive neuro fuzzy inference system. Use the pulses. The pulses can send it to the PWM. The PWM can control the switching pulses of DC to AC converter. These are converted at switching characteristics of the DC to AC converter. This has interface the common DC bus. The systems are entirely unbalanced of voltage is purely system as unstable, and we can do some control algorithms and we can be used because of our system has impacted on adaptive neuro fuzzy inference system has mainly major role on this spot. Next we can see about the running process of our product. The proposed system implementation done in MATLAB version 2013A. First, they open a MATLAB file window and create a new model file and creating elements as per the circuit diagram. As for the paper, this is also our circuit diagram of our product. This is all of a renewable energy source different type of loads. We can see that grid, solar, windmill, the single phase load, three phase load. This is our control circuit of our product. Adaptive neuro in Paris influence system. We can use this area. Next we can see about the results. First we can see about the solar panel. This is an PV characteristics of our solar panel. After 230 volt of power generation to generate the power of solar panel. This is our characteristics of input source in the solar panel. Next we can see about the IV characteristics. This is an IV characteristics of our solar panel as that use gradually decreases as the current and voltage, x axis voltage, y axis current. As we can see that this is corresponding waveform. Next we can see about the solar panel DC to DC boost converter pulses. This is a control pulse of DC to DC boost converter. This is a saturation region of duty cycle. This is some saturation region to given our pulses to saturate as the triggering pulses of our DC to DC boost converter as the stages. Next we can see about the control pulse of rapid neuro fuzzy inference system can use it as PWM switching pulses to of this corresponding waveform. This is an pulse on, pulse off. This is simultaneously corresponding of different duty cycle with the different amplitude levels. As that of pulse of different variation levels. Next we can see about the noise voltage. This is our noise voltage of our voltage. You can see that it's a very nice level of our voltage. Some purification process as an amplitude of 20. Next we can see about the noise reduced voltage. We can see that we can purely noise reduction of this process is an voltage unstable. Cure that is an our system is slightly stable to that.